If you are a blogger, an SEO, or maybe someone who works with content, you already know that keyword research is essential in your job. And today I want to show you how you can use Wildcard Search and Double Wildcard Search to find new keywords, maybe hidden keywords, or to speed up your keyword research work and find even some very good keywords that your competitors can't find. Welcome back to my channel. This is Digital Toolcase, and I'm using for this example WriterZen. Maybe you know this is my favorite keyword research tool. Is not only that, please go and watch my old videos about WriterZen. If you don't know it, I will leave you a link to those videos here below in the description and even here in my video, so you can see how WriterZen works and what it can do for you. But today let's talk about Wildcard. As you can see in the Keyword Explorer tool here inside WriterZen, where you have all the tools you can use to create your content, you can search by keyword, and it's the usual way of searching. For example, here garden tools, you insert your keywords and you will find all the keywords containing garden tools and similar keywords. Then you can search by domain, for example, or you can search by wildcard. The first easy example to use wildcard is, for example, let's say you have a blog that talks about family, for example, and you want to do a search using wildcard. Well, you need to select the wildcard and search, for example, best asterisk for family, and as you can see I already did it here to speed up the job. Anyway, with this easy example you are placing a variable here, so you want to find something that is best for family, but you don't really know what you want to write about, you want some ideas, so you search with this wildcard search, the simple one, the single one, and you can find a really great number of ideas. For example, best asterisk for family, and you will find in this case, as I said, I already did it, 2,524 keywords, specifically with this variable, and even exam match, almost match, and similar ones. For example, let me sort these by volume. As you can see, some of these are similar ones. Best family movies. It's not really best movies for family, but it's a similar one. The meaning is the same, and Google will treat this keyword in the same way. Best movies for the family, best family dogs. Here again, it's not quite perfectly in this form, but it means the same thing. If you want to see exact the same match, you need to select exact match, and you can find here, for example, best trip for for family, best international trip for family, best city in Tennessee for family, and so on. As you can see, our variable here now is one word or more than one word inside this phrase, and this is how you use usually wildcard. Is very useful when you want to find ideas in your niche. You maybe want to find the keywords that anybody else is targeting. You also have this almost match. where you can already see something different. Best movies for family on Netflix. And as you can see, this is a very high volume keyword. In this example, I don't know if it will be an easy one or not. Anyway, the keyword difficulty is quite low here. Then you can do your golden filter search to find the best one keyword. But as you can see in this case, with the almost match, you can find this keyword phrase with this variable, but with something more. On Netflix, in this case, best beaches for family in Florida, best colors for family pictures outside. As you can see, you can find many keywords, and if you would like to find these keywords in the usual way, you can't do it with just one search, because you need to search for best movies for family, then you will need to do another search for best beaches for family, then you will need to do another search for best colors for family, and so on. In this case, with just one single search, you can find a lot of keywords, a lot of ideas, and even the similar ones, as I said before, the meaning is maybe the same, but the structure of the phrase is different, of the sentence is different. Best family movies, best movies for the family, best family dogs, and so on. And this is how you use the single wildcard to do your search. But now let's try to use the double wildcard. Double wildcard, in my opinion, is very useful if you are running out of ideas and you want to find something new to write about. I think the most easy example for this kind of double wildcard is this: best asterisk for asterisk. As you can see, in this case, I'm using not one, but two variables inside my keyword. So, WriterZen in this case will find all the variation containing best X for Y, for example. Let's try to do this keyword research. Okay, and boom, you have 6,000 keywords ideas for best X for X in this case. And this will be very generic because we didn't specify any kind of topic, any kind of niche in this case. So as you can see, if I sort by volume, I have even something maybe not so useful, best by, because it's searching for best and some variable. But let's say we want something that is exact match. Best time for Instagram post. And this is a very high, super high volume one. Best insurance for pet. Best PCS for gaming. Best chair for office. As you can see, is respecting this structure and inserting our variables. So, as I said, this is very useful if you don't know what to write about. Maybe you still don't have a blog and you want to do your search to understand what you can write about. You can, maybe you do this kind of search, then you say, well, I'm writing about, for example, cars, so maybe I can insert here in include the word car, click on apply and see all the keywords with the word car. Best GPS for car, best amplifier for car, best jack for car, best RCA for car audio, and so on. As you can see, with double wildcard, you can do this kind of searches. If I go in similar ones, you can find all the others, best buy credit card. In this case here, these are very different, maybe not so useful, but again, I was very generic. You can also be more specific, and you can for example, use the wildcard search even in your comparison articles, so maybe asterisk versus asterisk. Even in this case, it would be really generic one. If you want to be more specific, let's say you can search something about let's say you have a blog with local articles, so let's use the United States here, English, and you want to find some ideas about some places, localized searches, and so on. This can be very useful. Where to asterisk in asterisk, and let's wait a few seconds and let's see how many keywords we can find in this case. Again, 5,000 keywords in this case. Let's go on exact match, and let's sort by volume, even here. Where to stay in Maui, where to stay in Nashville, where to stay in Puerto Rico, and so on. As you can see, this kind of search, for example, is very good for places. Let's say you write a blog about travel, for example. This would be very useful because with just one search you can find a lot of keyword ideas. Then you can filter them. You can use golden filter to find the all-in-title ones, so the easy to rank keywords, and so on. I hope you understand the potential of this wildcard and double wildcard search. You can really search what you want, you can experiment, and if you use WriterZen, you have this opportunity to use wildcard and double wildcard. If you don't know WriterZen, well, watch my other videos, and if you want to try WriterZen, I highly suggest you to do it, because it's a really good tool, not only for keyword research, but for creating all your content, optimize your content, and so on. And it also has a AI feature inside. You can try it for 7 days for free. You just need to click on my affiliate link here below my video. Thank you very much if you will use it. I will appreciate it, because you will help me to grow my channel. So again, you can try for 7 days. You don't need a credit card to subscribe and try WriterZen. You can play with this wildcard search or the normal keyword research. I already made some videos where I show you how it works, but with this you will have the superpowers when doing keyword research and find a lot of keyword ideas and easy to rank keywords to beat your competitors and to speed up your keyword research work. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was helpful. Please, if you want, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell so you will receive notifications about my new videos, and see you soon in another one.